I be that young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew. I roll out in the morning light with that Harley bike.
Give all your sister status as a Let's start. Introductions. Ajay Ghale, our guest of honor. Paul, our very gracious host. The little monkey, whose name I still don't know. And of course, you really don't remember me. Your mother, she never spoke of me, never mentioned me. No, we'll change all that. Paul, I need cash.
How much do you need?
All of it. Here we go. All right. Like this with a smile.
That's you.
That's me. Although I'm not so sure anymore. Now your mother on the other hand, she understood me. She knew me in a way that no one ever did. That takes me back. The last time I saw Ishwari was years ago. She told me she loved me. Women, they can do that. They can tell you they love you in the moment and mean it. Men, on the other hand, no, men only really love you in hindsight. And too much distance is built up. So, when your mother decided to flee to the United States with you on her hip, I couldn't help but blame myself. I realized
it's DK Remixer. DK Remixer.
Those who are terrorists can ruin everything. Like dinner. But no one ever teach you that it's wrong to text. Really, guys, we're not checking for these anymore? I'm with Ajay Ghale. Here we go. One.
Stay close.
आकाश में रोज पहुंचता और जिया
Ajay, when these doors open, I need you to keep your head down and make a run for the truck. Move as fast as you can. Understand?
'Sabal, where are you?
I don't know. Fuck. The driver's dead.
Okay, listen to me. Look around. You should be able to see a tower nearby. I need you to make your way there. I'm on my way to secure it now.
Head to the tower. Okay.
You can do this, Ajay.
Look around! Find him! Maybe it was his flash truck. You want to tell King Min this guy is dead? Huh? No! Okay, then start looking. Let's check the bushes. He could be hiding there. Hello, come in. Over. Whoever you are, just call back. The radio is normal, yaar. I can't hear a damn thing. I can't hear you.
What was that?
You
विधायक जेपी सिंह को कूट दिए एसपी ऑफिस में,
वो भी उसके बाप के सामने।
सरदार खान नाम है हमारा, बता दीजिएगा सबको। नहीं कौन है साले विधायक में हाथ उठाता तुम। आपको नहीं पता हम घर वापस जाके जब अपने पिताजी का पूजा रहे होंगे ना।
Good job, son of a
इनसे
Why are you guys helping me? You're the son of Mohammed. You may not know it, but that name carries a lot of weight in Kyrat, especially for the Golden Bar. Those army guys have been working for me. Pagan Min will stop at nothing. They'll be here in a second. They're in for a fight.
विधायक को सरेआम थाने में थप्पड़ मारने के लिए कितना दिन जेल में रहना पड़ता है?
और एसपी साहब हम हो जाएंगे अब तो अंदर।
उस हरामी को हमें मिटाना है। गोली नहीं मारेंगे साले को, कह के लेंगे उसकी।